Listen, your life is a mess right now and you know it. You wake up feeling like garbage, you scroll on your phone for an hour before you even get out of bed, and you wonder why nothing ever changes. You keep telling yourself next Monday is gonna be different, next month is gonna be your month, next year is gonna be your year. But let me tell you something, nothing changes until you change. And today, I'm gonna show you exactly how millionaires think about fixing their lives when everything goes to hell. My name is Fred, and I stayed broke as hell until I started to emulate how millionaires were behaving and how they were structuring their days and routines. And that's what helped me go from only having a few $100 in the bank to building the business that's made me thousands of dollars a day in profit in my early 20s. So feel free to ignore my advice if you want to stay broke. See, here's what most people don't understand. Millionaires mess up too. They're humans, they take a shit in the morning like everyone. They lose money, they make bad decisions sometimes. They wake up one day and they realize they've been going in the wrong direction. But the difference between them and you is what they do next. While you're sitting there making excuses and waiting for motivation to strike like lightning, they're already 3 steps ahead of fixing the problem, even if they don't feel like it. So let's break down exactly what they do that you're not doing. These things have made me more money than literally anything else. The first thing I'd like to share with you is that millionaires own their situation completely. They don't make excuses, they don't blame their parents or the economy or their boss or their ex or the weather. They look at their life and they say, this is where I am, this is my responsibility, and I'm the only one who can fix it. You want to know why you're stuck? Because you're still waiting for someone to save you, for someone else to guarantee your success. You're waiting for circumstances to magically improve. You're waiting for permission to start living differently. But nobody's coming to save you. Your parents aren't gonna fix your life. Your friends aren't gonna push you. And some guru online isn't gonna do the work for you. This is on you and only you. And I know it sounds harsh, but it's the most freeing thing you'll ever hear. Because if it's your fault, that means you have the power to change it. If everything bad in your life is because of external factors, you are powerless. But if you cause this mess, you can uncause it. And that's real power right there. So stop looking for someone to blame and start looking for solutions. I can tell you that I've been around broke people and I've also been around wealthy people, and the broke always complains about everything instead of taking action to improve their situation. Wealthy people complain too sometimes, yes, of course, it's human, but nowhere near as much, I can tell you that, and they actually do things to improve their situation. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Second, if I've learned one thing from millionaires, it's that they cut the dead weight immediately. And I'm talking about everything. Bad friends who drag you down, relationships that drain your energy, habits that waste your time and your money, subscriptions you don't even use, apps that steal your attention, like social media. Everything that's not moving you forward, helping you to reach your goals, is by default holding you back. There's no neutral. You're either getting better or getting worse every single day. And most of the garbage in your life is making you worse. You know those friends who always want to hang out and go get wasted at the club, and that's basically their only goal in life? The ones who make fun of you for trying to improve yourself? The ones who celebrate mediocrity and mock ambition or success? Cut them off. I don't care if you've known them since 3rd grade. They're anchors dragging you to the bottom of the goddamn ocean. You're gonna meet better people when you level up. Millionaires protect their energy like it's the most valuable asset, because it is. Your time, your attention, your mental space, that's all you really have. And you're letting random toxic people steal it from you. Same thing with your habits. You say you want to be successful and you don't have time to start a business, but you're spending 4 hours a day on TikTok or Netflix. You say you want to be in shape, but you're eating fast food 5 times a week. You say you want to be rich, but you're buying stuff you don't need to impress people you don't like. Your actions and your goals don't match up, and that's why you're stuck. Millionaires audit their time ruthlessly. They look at where their time and money actually goes, and they cut anything that doesn't serve their future. You need to do the same thing today. It's a matter of self-respect. Third, millionaires start before they're ready. Now this is huge. While you, on the other hand, you're probably sitting around waiting to feel confident, waiting to have all the right answers, waiting for the perfect moment. Well, that moment does not exist. You're never gonna feel ready. You're never gonna know everything. The only way to get ready is to start and figure it out as you go. Every millionaire I've ever studied started messy. They launched businesses that were far from perfect. They made offers before they had everything figured out. And some of it didn't work, but the important part is they took action while everyone else was still planning, talking, or dreaming. Do you know what kills more dreams than failure itself? Preparation. Endless preparation. You're learning, consuming content, while never actually doing anything. You've been getting ready to get ready for months or even years now. And here's the truth. You're not preparing, you're procrastinating. You're scared of failing, so you stay in the safe zone of learning and planning where you can't be judged, but you also can't win there. Millionaires understand that action creates clarity. You don't need to think your way into a new life, you act your way into one. Every action you take gives you information. It tells you what works and what doesn't. It shows you where you're good at and where you need help. But sitting on your couch overthinking gives you nothing except anxiety. So start that business even if the website's not perfect. Post that piece of content even if you think it's not good enough. Have that difficult conversation even if you're scared. The life you want is on the other side of action, not on the other side of preparation. Fourth, millionaires create systems, not goals. Everyone's got goals. I want to make $1 million. I want to lose 20 pounds. I want to build a business. Cool, so does everyone else. Goals are useless without systems. Millionaires don't focus on the outcome. They focus on building the daily system that automatically creates the outcome. They don't wake up every day and try to feel motivated. They have a system that runs regardless of how they feel. You need to build systems for everything. A system for making money, a system for staying healthy, a system for learning new skills, a system for managing your time. And a system is just a repeatable process that you do over and over until it becomes automatic. You want to make money? Build a system where you create value every single day. You want to get in shape? Build a system where you move your body every morning before you even think about it. You want to learn? Build a system where you read for 30 minutes every night before bed. You need to stop relying on motivation because motivation is trash. Motivation comes and goes like the weather. Some days you'll feel pumped, most days you won't. Systems work regardless of how you feel. That's why millionaires can produce at a high level consistently. They're not more motivated than you, they just have better systems. So design your day, design your week, design your life around systems that automatically help you reach your goals. Then, do it, have faith in the system and let it run. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. The next thing I'd like to share with you is that millionaires invest in themselves aggressively. They spend money on education, mentorship, coaching, on their health, on their skills. They understand that they are the most powerful asset. If they get better, everything in their life gets better. The same goes for you. But you're out here buying new shoes while your skills are trash. You can't make more money with those skills. You're spending money on restaurants, entertainment, while your bank account is near empty. You're investing in liabilities instead of assets, things that will allow you to make more money and gain more freedom. The best investment you'll ever make is in yourself. Period. Buy that course, hire that coach, go to that seminar, read those books, spend money on becoming more valuable in the marketplace. All the wealthiest people I've ever met all did this. And funnily enough, all the broke people I've ever met never did any of those things. Because here's the thing, you could lose all your money technically, but if you invest in becoming skilled and knowledgeable, you can make it all back. But if you never invested in yourself, you will always be broke no matter how much money comes your way. I'm talking about strategically investing in skills that will make you more money. Sales, marketing, copywriting, video editing, coding, whatever skill is valuable in your industry. Learn it, master it, become undeniable. Millionaires never stop learning because they know the moment they stop growing is the moment they start dying and their income with it. So what are you learning right now? What skill are you building? If the answer is nothing, that's your problem right there. Something else I learned from millionaires is that they accept it's gonna be hard and they do it anyway. They don't sit around wasting time complaining about how unfair life is. We all know that. They don't expect it to be easy. They know that building wealth, building a business, building an incredible life requires sacrifice and struggle and pain. And they're okay with that because they know the pain of discipline is way better than the pain of regret. You want the millionaire life, but you're not willing to work like a millionaire. You want the result without the process. You want the destination without going through the journey first. But it doesn't work like that. You're gonna have to work when your friends are partying. You're gonna have to save when everyone else is spending money. You're gonna have to stay focused when everyone else is distracted. That's the price of success. There's no discount, there's no shortcut, there's no hack. So here's what you do right now. You accept where you are because acknowledging the problem is the first step to fixing it. Then you cut everything that's holding you back, whether it be toxic friends or bad habits. You start taking action today. You build systems instead of relying on motivation or willpower. You invest in becoming more valuable and you embrace the struggle. That's how you unfuck your life like a millionaire. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.